Hello everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we've got an exciting product to dive into. The Newmen GM326 75% mechanical gaming keyboard. This compact keyboard is making waves in the gaming community with its impressive features and affordable price point. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality of the Newmen GM326. With its 82 keys and compact 75% layout, this keyboard not only saves desk space but also offers a sleek and modern look. The detachable Type-C cable adds to its convenience, making it easy to carry for gaming on the go or using it in your home or office setup. Now, one of the standout features of this keyboard is its rainbow LED backlighting. With 6 backlighting colors and 20 different modes, you can personalize your gaming experience and add a cool visual effect to your setup. Whether you're gaming late into the night or typing up a document, the vibrant backlighting will surely enhance your experience. Let's talk about performance. The Newmen GM326 comes equipped with hot swappable linear switches, specifically the red switches. These switches are known for their smooth and linear actuation, providing minimal resistance and a slight key sound, perfect for fast-paced gaming sessions or typing marathons. Plus, with full key anti-ghosting, you can press multiple keys simultaneously without any input errors, making it ideal for gamers, writers, programmers, and more. Now, let's take a look at some of the additional features. The multi-function knob located in the upper right corner of the keyboard allows for easy adjustment of the sound level, providing seamless control without having to leave your game or application. Additionally, the 3 indicator lights on the keyboard give you quick status updates on Caps Lock, Windows Lock, and the Win/Max switch. Comfort is key when it comes to long gaming or typing sessions, and the Newmen GM326 doesn't disappoint. With ABS keycaps for better lighting effects and an ergonomic stepped keycap design, typing feels comfortable and natural. Plus, the 2-stage adjustable tilt legs ensure that you can find the perfect angle for your wrists, reducing strain during extended use. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive overview of the Newmen GM326 75% mechanical gaming keyboard. With its compact design, customizable features, and comfortable typing experience, it's truly a game-changer in the world of gaming keyboards. If you're looking to elevate your gaming setup without breaking the bank, be sure to check out the Newmen GM326. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and tech content here on UK Pro Reviewer. Until next time, happy gaming!